Hello everyone, I'm Gloria Blessing. If you want fancy dining in your own house, restaurant style, easy to make recipes, then keep tuned and watch the rest of this video. Today we are making garlic bread, and these are the ingredients that you're going to need. The butter needs to be in room temperature, and I've written down everything on the video, but you could always check the description box. To the unsalted butter, I added 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. If you want, you can use 5 cloves of garlic instead and blend it and use that if you want. I also added a pinch of salt, which is optional, and I added a pinch of black pepper. You can substitute coriander for parsley, or you can use mixed herbs. After you've mixed everything together, you're going to spread it onto your preferable loaves. I've used soft round white bread, but you can use any bread that you like. Next, you are going to grill it in the oven for 10 minutes, and I've written the temperature of the oven temperature in the description box. You can check the description box to know what temperature the oven needs to be. And here I am serving it with a nice salad. You can dress the salad with any dressing that you want. You can eat the garlic bread with anything that you want, maybe with some soup. Or if you love cheese, you can add some cheese onto it and melt it in the microwave. I prefer to have my garlic bread with a nice warm soup. And here I am pouring some potato and leek soup around my garlic. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.